Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can connect Polygon to your Metamask. By that, I mean, if you guys, use the default network of Metamask, then basically it's going to use Ethereum network, and Ethereum network is pretty, expensive. So if you guys want to transfer crypto in a really cheap, network, then basically Polygon network is the way. It's not like the cheapest, it is cheaper than, Ethereum. Like in Ethereum, if you transfer something, it's going to take you $50 or more than that. But in like Polygon, if you transfer something, it's going to take you less than $1. So that's basically what I mean. Like depending on the network, the transfer fee of crypto is different. So let me show you guys how you guys can connect Polygon or in another word, Matic network. But before that, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to open your Metamask extension. So I'm going to go to my Metamask extension like this. After opening your Metamask extension, you want to, click on this little button over here, and this drop down menu appears. Now over here, you want to go on custom RPC. Once you go on custom RPC, you want to, paste exactly what I'm about to paste over here. So I'm going to write it Matic over here. So basically over here, you want to write this. On the network name, you want to write this. And on your RPC URL, you want to copy this over here. You want to copy this link over here and paste it exactly as I'm pasted over here, just like this. And you want to enter the chain ID. And you want to enter the current symbol over here. Then you want to enter the Blocks Explorer URL. You want to enter the exact, link I entered over here. Basically, just copy paste it over here. After doing this, basically, you want to click on save. After you click on save, basically wait for some time, and it's added over here. As you guys can see, Matic mainnet. I wanted to write Matic network, but my spelling got mistake, but don't worry about that. Now your Matic network is added. That's basically how you guys can add Matic network. So yeah, hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. And for those people watching the video until the end, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.